Kobo.
Hi, Kobo.
Honestly, guys, that woman doesn't cut my hair properly.
Supporting people complaining is not supportive.
Good morning! Good morning, guys. I'm using already the bowl that my mother-in-law got. And she got one also. And then I bring this out here that she can use it. And yes, it's a nice bowl. It's not really expensive. It's like $4-something. It's not even $5. And it's a good one. And it's microwavable. Even there is color. And look how pretty is that, guys. Nice. And I'm just gonna put this in the microwave. Did you eat? Are you happy? Dimple, are you happy, Dimps? Are you happy, Dimps? The Dimple, she's licking. After they eat, I noticed that she lick her paws and then wipe her face. That's what she does, and that's what usually cat do after they eat. You know, they lick their paws. That's how they clean their face, guys. Look at that. Look. Lick, wipe. Today is Sunday. I just want to check this, guys. Oh, it's hot. I just need this. And let me try. Oh, okay. I need to heat it another 2 minutes. You know what I noticed? They always like to be always together. They kind of get, and you cannot separate them because the other one get lonely. And this is it, guys. So love this bowl. Look how pretty is that. Nagpasalamat lang ako. Salamat sa inyo at saka yung walang sawang nanonood ng video ko. Thank you all so much, guys, for watching my video. You know, you guys are watching my video, hit likes, and yeah, and then you subscribe. I really do appreciate it so much. Hi guys, I am going to transfer my plant. No, it's not really a plant. It's a chili pepper thing. Here in the. Okay, I just need this one here in the garage, and I need to. Okay, pa-plant ko lang siya doon, guys. Dito sa gilid. I cut this one, guys. I get rid of this. I'm not really getting rid of this, but I'm gonna get rid of that sooner or later when I get the yellow roses in the old house, because this one, it seems like it's a wild rose, because there's no flower whatsoever. It's growing a lot of vitamins looking because it's kind of fat, you know, it's good, but the only problem is there's no flower. So I'm gonna get rid of that. And I planted all it right here, that one, that I planted it right there, line up, and then I water it, you know, and then I water that one too, and this over there. So yun. She's so sweet. What is it? Look at that eye, guys. What is it? You're so cute. I love you. It's windy out here. It's windy out here. Oh, it's fine. It's not that hot. It's fine. It's okay. Yes, it's okay. Look. If I stop something, look. Look. Okay, guys, I went outside, guys, and harvest my berries. Look how nice it is. So good. Actually, still a lot out there, but I need to be ripened like this. It's small. It's organic. Good. Sweet. It's really good. I was surprised, guys, that the neighbor came. The neighbor over there with the swimming pool. He came. He gave us this. I don't know, you guys. What's the name of this? I forgot what he said. My goodness, and it's really sweet. I'm gonna text Tammy to tell him that he gave us that fruit.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, Gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view.
Hi guys. Okay, I just dropped her off and then I'm heading home. And then Tommy is, what do you call that? Tommy is in the other house. Yeah, I've been, good morning guys. I know I haven't seen good morning to you because it's just, uy, naku, ay nako, you stipot there. Yeah. Goodness, this driver. They put their car halfway through the thing before they stop. What the heck? Before they look around. Anyway, so I just came out. I just drive my mother-in-law to the old house. Well, it's not really the old house because I'm driving her to go to the dialysis and then going home to see my baby. It's gonna be busy today. Busy. Yeah, because I told Tommy to do something for the tax, and hopefully he'll do it because I cannot do it. He's the one who have all the records and I cannot. Let's see if there's car coming. No one. Tommy opened the door already, so I don't have to get my key, but I just need my camera. I need my cell phone. Okay guys, I will see you inside.
Well, I just did an update. Because
Hi.
as much as you know, I don't like to update.
Say good morning.
Morning.
He's having his call.
You know I like to update phones.
I know, but it's not good not to update.
Because look,
Because sometimes your phone it doesn't work because you don't update.
I know, but look how many missed calls. Look.
That's me.
Dave, Diane, just in the last 2 days.
Yeah, but why
Those are just calls I missed because they're not ringing.
Yeah, but so why you meanie?
Mom. You. See 5 calls there, you.
This time available is me?
Yeah, that's the house phone over there. Some of these numbers I intentionally didn't have there, but see these? This is all just calls that didn't ring. See all that red? It's kind of important. Some of those calls are kind of important that I get them.
Oh, this is my car.
Yeah, why are you giving it to me anyway? You're driving my car.
Huh?
You're driving my car now.
Yeah, but we're going to the house.
Yeah, but you're driving that one.
Why?
You're driving the truck.
And then
I thought you said you just put gas in it.
I did.
So it's full.
I know it's full, but when you're driving back to work back and forth, you should drive the white one because for the gas reason.
I know, but you know what? At this point, I'm driving back and forth from here. The truck is probably a better idea. If I can get a trailer.
He missed his big car, guys. He loved his big car. He's been using big car, but the white car is nice, but sitting down comfortable is the big one. But we get that one for gas. It's really good for gas, and I noticed it.
It's not really as good as it should be.
No, it's really.
You should be getting an extra 10 miles to the gallon. It's not getting.
No, maybe you don't set it up, or you don't really paying attention.
No, maybe I drive too much city streets sitting dead stop traffic.
Maybe.
Dead stop traffic.
It's not gonna help with the black one too. The black one is
the black one's worse. The black one only gets like 14 miles to the gallon.
Why?
Be careful what you throw out, because some things look like, oh, this looks like junk. There's a little thing with buttons on it.
There you go again.
A little thing with buttons on it and a wire. It looks like junk. It belongs to that winch.
What winch? Oi? I don't understand what winch.
A 3,000-pound winch.
What is winch? Okay, what's
a winch?
Winch.
It's for lifting things.
Lifting things.
It's a motorized cable that pulls things.
Okay. But you're not collecting wires that it's been downstairs that you don't even know existed until you don't say it.
Of course I know they exist. So you're going to make stupid?
No, hon. Even don't be crazy.
All those wires in the bucket that got ruined in water.
Yeah.
You don't think I know they were in there?
That's right.
I gotta take the XLR ends off of them. I can throw the wires out, but I need to take the XLR ends.
Yun guys, Tommy was outside. He's doing some stuff in the garage. And nakapakalagot guys kasi ayaw talagang magbitaw ng mga gamit ng asawa ko. Ayaw niya magbitaw. Tumitingin siya ng mga gamit, pero walang tinapon kahit isa. What the frick is that? Case of what?
I don't know what's in it at this point, but...
So I'm really short. Is that what you're telling me?
Are you really short?
I am 6 foot. 6 footers.
Roxy stands on her hind like she's taller than you.
That's really Oh my god, this is really growing, guys. Look.
Oh, yes, my hair.
Why are you going this way? Oh, yeah.
Which way do you want to go?
Okay. We are hitting LT. It's so hot. Tommy can't handle. That's why when we retire in the Philippines, we have a really strong. We need a strong air conditioning, or maybe we have to do an American house in the Philippines, like American style house, like you know, how do you call that? That how do you call that?
Central air conditioning?
Central air conditioning. Because, you know, when we retire over there, you have to build your own house, so it's rather be like American house style. Because, you know, Tommy is very picky. It's gonna be a small house, but it's American style, American kind of thing. Because if you have an AC, you have to buy that. What is that, hon? What is that we put in the
Fan?
No, the outside, that when you turn the AC, it's like the turning in the side of the house.
Yeah.
Really?
And then we had that gas prices where you couldn't buy gas.
Yeah.
And the gas stations would have lines miles and miles long, and you sit on a line for hours to get gas.
Oh, they We're heading to get Popeyes.
Manhattan DA says Dr. Bello pleaded guilty in 2004 to a misdemeanor unlawful imprisonment charge and was sentenced to community service.
Unlawful
Bello
imprisonment.
worked at Bronx Lebanon Hospital for about 6 months in 2014 and 15 before he resigned there.
It's 10:30.
Miracle Grow Garden Store.
Popeyes,
4 bags,
Popeyes.
$10. Now the #1 retailer for Scott's Miracle Grow at Home Depot.
I hope they're open. Because
Actually, open at 10:30.
10:30? Ah, they're
just
open.
Like,
Okay. Okay.
what the deal is.
I love Popeyes. What are you looking? Yeah, just eat them all spicy.
What?
Spicy. I told Tommy, guys, to put the thing over here. Chicken. That
There'll be
can-
none left when we get home.
Because I like to pick and pick and pick. But I'm gonna eat.
Crumbs all over the car.
Are you kidding me, Han? There's a lot of cigarette ashes over here. Bahay kubo kahit... Sing it, Han. Bahay kubo
Hi, Kohot.
kahit monte.
Kahit Monte.
Ang halaman doon
Ang halaman doon.
ay sari-sari.
I'm sorry. I pronounced it wrong.
Ang sari-sari.
Sari.
Singkamas at talong.
Sikamas at talong.
Sigarilyas at mani.
Sigarilyas sa payas.
Sitaw.
Sit down.
Pataw.
Sit down. Pataw.
Patahni.
Put on your knee.
Hi guys, we just finished eating. I always bring my laptop wherever I go. Why it's not focusing on me? And because I can have time to edit my video. Yeah, I was drinking Canada Dry iced tea ginger ale. It's really good. Edit pa more pag may time more. So for tomorrow is mukbang. I hope I have the mukbang clip right here, because tomorrow is mukbang. I'm gonna edit it now, and I will see you later. Time is in the shower, so I will see you later, guys. Bye bye. Anyway, I saw the white car, guys. There's something wrong with the front hoodie. I'm talking about the car. I just got the meal, the white Subaru Legacy, because this morning I kinda hit the bump really hard. and maybe that's why. Did you look?
Yeah.
While you're driving?
Yeah.
That's ridiculous. That's why you're wiggling everywhere.
Yeah, what's your excuse? What's your excuse?
I don't wiggle. Why you say I'm wiggling?
Parents.
Oh, you're pairing?
You're parents. Where is it?
You're going down. Bang, sweet. Finally, guys, I hope they're open. Tammy said he was checking that they're open. Do you have a house key?
Yes.
But I guess I'm it.
You're it. Why, you want me to drive?
No. Haircut, hun? You need haircut, hun?
Do you want it short or do you want me to leave some line?
Well, I like it to hang just over the ear.
Okay.
The sideburns I leave. Good then maybe if you're doing that. But, oh, actually I cut it. Looks like a girl's hair.
Kinda like this, guys. Gusto ko to ay. Ito. It's para lagyan ng ano, laundry. Flexible. Look. Wow. I kinda like this. Ang ganda niya. $2. Maganda siya as in. Carpet galore. Oh my god. Ito yung mga hinahanap ko. Maganda oh. Maganda siya. Maganda siya. Tignan nyo guys. Yung pattern. Sobrang ganda. Pero I don't know if it's thick enough. And this one too. Look at that. Kinda like it. Ito yung gusto naming bilhin. Ito yung gustong bilhin ng mother-in-law ko. Pero sobrang mahal naman. $18. Maganda ito eh. There you go. Just here. I'm back. Guys, we're here. PetSmart. But I'm not showing you who I am right now. Because I kinda hate what the woman did to my hair. Ito yung hinahanap namin guys. Pero sobrang liit naman niya. Look at that dog. So cute. Did you see that? It's a bob cut. It's supposedly be this long over here, guys. I told the woman it's gonna be... Hold on. Why this one is not focusing on me? Okay, I told the woman to cut my hair until here, but move short over here, and I want it longer. But okay, guys, Tammy said that you guys are going to laugh at me.
Yep.
Hold it, because I have a short hair. Honestly, guys, that woman doesn't cut my hair properly. Whatever you see right now, she doesn't even blow dry my hair. She just leave me wet.
Honestly, guys, she was right there when she was cutting the hair. She could have said, no, I don't want it that short. Make it a little longer. She could have said that. She could say things to her, but she didn't want to say nothing to her.
You know what,
and then
guys?
she was complaining afterwards.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Can I just tell you something, guys?
You're the driver. You gotta go left?
Why left?
Oh, I don't know. Okay.
No, I cannot turn because...
You got an arrow.
No,
You got an arrow.
Yeah, before it's turning something.
Next time we let Roxy drive.
Whatever.
Whatever.
It's wet. It's short. How much more get dry?
Hey, hon.
I'm not happy, period.
Oh, well. You chose to give it a try. Whenever you try something, a new person, you know there's always a chance you're not going to like it. But you pay attention. It's a new person. It's not like somebody who always does your hair and knows what you want. It's a new person. Pay attention. You feel when she's holding your hair here, you know, that's too high. You can see that.
I'm filming. Watch out on. They're gonna... My hair is ridiculous. It's crazy. No, I look like my sister, guys. Han, I look like my sister now. I look like Lang Lang. I don't like her face.
What? You guys have the same face.
You wanna sit down? I really wanna go back to that hair cutter, guys.
What?
Woman.
Go. I'll walk home.
He will come, let's see. Now it will make me more worried because Tommy said he liked my hair long, so now it makes me more worried. He will replace
Well,
me.
you know that I like your hair longer yet, but we've been through this a bunch of times. You have to be happy with what you do. So if you like it short, then that's what you have to be happy with.
Pinunitil ko yung buhok ko, guys, kasi na ano ako, guys. Hindi pa ako makagit over sa short hair. I cannot get over it. And he's tired of hearing it. Supportive, husband.
Supportive. Supporting people complaining is not supportive. Huh? That's encouraging stupidity.
Yeah, just support me, baby.
It's not supporting.
Support.
It's enabling.
Just support me.
No, don't work that way. No.
Find out.
You want to be bitchy, you be bitchy anyway.
Okay, this is what I told to the woman. This picture, I want it to be this picture, okay? I told her the back is very short, not short that until into my, you know, like over here. I want it to be like right here, like it's not on top of my shoulder, but it kind of like down, but in here it's supposedly be right here, like you know, it's like slant. I don't know how I can get rid of this. Look, tingnan nyo, guys. Marami akong discoloration dahil sa no moisturizer. No SPF moisturizer. It's been years, I think 2 years already, 3 years, I don't know, but this is the result. Look, skin tag right here, discoloration right here. Yeah, I don't even touch that. Yeah. Are you coming up with me? Good boy. That's cute for like how do you call that, baking the like a pie. Yeah, that's so cute. Kung